Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
Okay, Royals, the dream team is at it again. Spearheaded by the lovely Catherine of Amateur Decorating Like a Pro, we're bringing you our Outdoor Living Spaces Lookbook. Accompanying us this time is a host of amazing content creators. You'll get to see all of their videos shortly, but before you do, let's get into what I'm sharing with you today. It is my outdoor front door scape. You guys, I absolutely love the vibrant colors that I chose for this year, the beautiful peaches, of course my signature blues, and all things that scream spring. I styled up both of my urns as well as a custom DIY door wreath, and all of the things came together to bring this amazing doorscape that you see before you. Keeping things simple and cohesive, I look to Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, and some of my favorite craft stores to bring this look together. So let's go in for a closer look of everything. Hobby Lobby for the win on these beautiful yardsticks that I gave a fresh coat of spray paint and added them to my urn styling. The sayings are perfect for this season. I am the resurrection in life, and he is risen indeed. They were the perfect complement to this overall look and feel for my spring styling. As I stated, this is a lookbook collaboration, so I would invite you to please click on the playlist and view all of the amazing inspiration that you will gain from this collab. It is jam-packed full of style, inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. I want to thank Miss Catherine for hosting this amazing collab lookbook. I also want to invite you that if it's your first time visiting, welcome you guys, and please hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued love and support. I want to invite you to connect with me on my other social media platforms, Royalty Designs with Trevina, on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. For more detailed info on how I style the wreath and other pieces, I will link the video in the iCard above. Also, hit those notifications because I have much more to share in my Spring It On 2021 styling series. So until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.